Get set.
I mean, they all use them GoPros, really, but it's a fucking do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm watching it.
My terrible filming.
It's only a thing you can't keep up with the fucking thing.
You can't at times, I know.
It does fucking well, doesn't it, for what it is?
Yeah, you got something stuck. Oh, there you go. It should be right now, that. Something stuck in the wheel, so just reverse it and it normally comes out again.
He'll be there at weekend. That company was there all the week, that Joshua. He's on your friends list, isn't he?
Yeah.
His daddy's as well, isn't he?
Yeah, his dad's coming up, he said, to
They have them big fucking things though, don't they?
yeah, I don't like the off-road systems they're using them. They've got loads of, you know, low-end speed, and they'll accelerate like a, you know, like I don't know what, too much power, but then there's no top speed in them. Same here.
Is it something eating you?
Yeah.
Fucking midget or something. Cunt. That'll do.
Press it again.
Press button again. Yeah.